Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the government spending $40 billion on the Jamaican police force. This is not the national security budget. This is not to pay salaries. This is $40 billion to continue the upgrading of the police force, to build new stations, to build new command centers, divisional headquarters, to buy more vehicles to get the police the latest technology. Now, this is as much money as they're spending to fix the roads. $40 billion is a lot of money. Now, we like to talk about all the developments happening in Jamaica. And people always say, what about the crime? But I don't know if you've noticed, because we don't really talk about crime on this channel, but the crime in Jamaica is going down. Crime in Jamaica, like St. Elizabeth, is down, major crimes, 32%. Look at all the developments taking place in Spanish Town, because the government has literally disbanded all the gangs over there. Look at Portmore. Look at St. Catherine as a whole. Look at the amount of development happening in St. Catherine, because crime is down. I don't remember the exact figure, but it's down big time in Spanish Town and St. Catherine. Crime is on its way down in Jamaica. Well, St. Anne didn't really have much crime, but there's so much development in St. Anne. Montego Bay had a small crime problem, but it's being handled. The amount of police stations that are being built in St. James, I should say, or Montego Bay, it's unprecedented. Now to spend $40 billion. And remember, this doesn't include salaries. This is to buy cars, to build police stations, to fix up the existing police stations. This is going to bring crime down even more. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the government plans to do with the $40 billion. The government will be spending approximately $39.3 billion on capital projects in the Jamaica Constabulary Force in the next 3 years. The investment will include renovating and constructing new fit-for-purpose buildings and enhancing the mobility and technological capabilities of the force. Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness made a disclosure while addressing the contract signing ceremony for the construction of the JCF's new St. Catherine North Divisional Headquarters at the Office of the Prime Minister. On completion, the over $2.2 billion state-of-the-art facility will serve communities in Spanish Town and its environs. The contract was signed between the Government of Jamaica and West Indies Home Contractors Limited. The Prime Minister said the prudent management of the country has enabled the administration to provide critical infrastructure and equipment to improve and transform the JCF over the last several years. He noted, for example, that $4.8 billion has been spent on the acquisition of vehicles since 2016, and $8.7 billion more will be expended in the next 3 years. In addition, $2.7 billion has been spent to renovate stations, with another $2.7 billion earmarked to carry out further works. On new construction projects, we spent $5.52 billion on building new stations, but we expect to spend $19.7 billion in the next 3 years on new stations, Mr. Holness pointed out further. The expenditure, he says, includes a massive station in Westmoreland, the St. Catherine Divisional Headquarters, Specialized Operations, the Command, Communications, Computation, Control, Coordination Center, all kinds of new exciting things. If you think that the police force is transformed now, wait until you see it in the next 3 years. So that's the end of the update article. So big things are ahead, and crime is going to go down even more over the next 3 years with this amount of money being spent on the JCF. Alright guys, let us know what you think. We're actually driving through St. Catherine. This is Portmore. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, have a good day.